Anthony Overton, business tycoon. Anthony Overton Jr., a banker and manufacturer, was the first African American to lead a major business conglomerate. He attended Washburn College in Topeka, Kansas, and after graduating with a degree in chemistry, he studied law, earning his law degree from the University of Kansas in 1888. He briefly worked as a lawyer, practicing law for a time, and even served as a judge before concentrating on developing his business operations. A lawyer who also had a chemistry degree, he opened the Overton Hygienic Manufacturing Co in Kansas in 1898. The business initially sold baking powder and other products to drug and grocery stores, but Overton recognized that women of color lacked cosmetics. The observation prompted him to delve into makeup that would solidify his place in history. Overton developed a network of salespeople who would go out and visit small stores with samples. In 1911, he moved operations to Chicago. He soon launched the Highbrow Products label, where he produced a full line of ladies' fine cosmetics and perfumes. Anthony Overton developed his business conglomerate in Chicago that began its operations from Overton Hygienic. Once Overton Hygienic relocated to Chicago's South Side, the company's sales staff ballooned to 400, and the next year went on to manufacture more than 50 products, including hair creams and eye makeup. Overton transformed the cosmetics industry for Black women in every way. Most importantly, his makeup was safe versus other brands that were mixed with chalk and other harmful ingredients. Overton improved not only makeup formulas for Black women, but also how cosmetics for them were packaged and marketed to them. The few white companies that served Black customers put products for them in plain black and white packaging. Overton decided to send his products out in beautiful, multicolored containers. In 1916, Overton founded a variety magazine, The Half Century, partly to promote the company's products. It appealed to educated Black women, but also promoted the early civil rights efforts of the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, NAACP. In 1922, Overton commissioned the construction of the Overton Hygienic Building. The building was located on 36th and State Street, in the area considered the Black metropolis. In addition to hygienic care products, Overton would operate the Chicago Bee newspaper franchise, Victory Life Insurance Company, the Douglas National Bank, and Great Northern Realty Company from this business facility, and from his second building, the Chicago Bee Building. In 1925, Overton founded the Chicago Bee and relocated the newspaper to the Chicago Bee Building. A 3-story structure was also housed the Half Century magazine, apartments, and eventually Overton Hygienic. The newspaper was unusual because one of its managing editors was a woman, Olive M. Diggs. By 1927, the cosmetic business alone employed 150 people in clerical and manufacturing positions, most of whom were Black women. The cosmetics company was valued at more than $1 million, and Overton by that point was the most successful Black businessman in the nation. The Victory Life Insurance Company ran from 1922 to 1932, and the Douglas National Bank from 1923 until 1932. The Douglas National Bank was the second nationally chartered Black-owned bank in the United States. The Chicago Bee folded in 1946. Anthony Overton died on July 2, 1946, but Overton Hygienic stayed in business until 1983 with continued management by his family. The city of Chicago took over the building, operating it as a public library. It was added to the National Registry of Historic Places on April 30, 1986. Until next time, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell to be notified of future uploads. Thank you for watching.